Oh, hello. This is Roy Roethlisberger for Faith Vector. Faith Vector is where we follow Jake. This is Roy Roethlisberger for Faith Vector, where we follow Jake around the world as he puts his faith in silly things. Let's find out where Jake is today.
I'm Jake, and this is Faith Factor. Today, I'm putting my faith in this here trampoline. Yes, I'm going to jump on this trampoline, and you know, it's really fun jumping on this trampoline, so this must be a good thing to put my faith in. So I'm going to jump and see how it goes. Here we go. Wee, 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 wee. Okay, I'm going to jump real high this time. I'm really going to put my faith to the test on this trampoline. Here we go. Well, I guess that's why we shouldn't put our faith in trampolines. Well, I guess while I'm just hanging around up here, I'll recite that memory verse I learned. Psalm 91:11. For he will command his angels concerning you to guard you in all your ways. Well, I'm Jake, and this has been Faith Factor. Is faith a factor for you? Hey, can somebody help me get down?
This has been Roy Roethlisberger for Faith Factor. Is that you, Aunt Peggy? We now return you to your regular programming.